That includes the first lunar mission in more than 50 years. So it's a big deal, and Jonathan Sari has much more from Atlanta. Hi, Jonathan.
Hi, Dana. It is a big deal. This all-day NASA event is taking place as America prepares to send humans around the moon for the first time since Apollo 17 in 1972. Let's take a live look at Kennedy Space Center. You can see the Space Launch System SLS rocket on the launch pad for the Artemis II mission. They're targeting launch as early as April 1st. It'll send 4 astronauts around the far side of the moon and back without landing, without stopping, just to test the rocket and spacecraft ahead of future missions to return humans to the lunar surface by 2028 while President Trump is still in office, and ultimately achieving his goal of building a moon base. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman says the space agency will be focused on these big goals while eliminating past inefficiency.
Billions wasted, years lost, non-conforming hardware delivered, programs that never launch, fewer flagship science missions, virtually no X-planes, less astronauts in space, which means less kids dressing up as astronauts for Halloween. I don't like it, the president doesn't like it, and the American people have waited long enough for the headlines only NASA is capable of making.
NASA also wants to boost the commercial economy in low Earth orbit. After supporting an uninterrupted human presence for more than 25 years, the International Space Station is set to be decommissioned in 2030. Well, NASA wants private companies to come up with the replacements, multiple commercial space stations. One more thing to tell you, Isaacman also unveiled plans for a new spacecraft. It's called SR-1 Freedom. SR stands for Space Reactor. Yes, it's a nuclear-powered spacecraft. It'll carry an uncrewed mission to Mars, release a fleet of drone helicopters to continue exploration of the Red Planet ahead of eventual human missions to Mars. Dana.
Well, something to look forward to. As Bill said, they're always working, and you got it for us this morning. Thank you so much.